guardian of nature. In Little Valley, streams sang songs, leaves danced, and stones told ancient tales. But the river fell silent, and trees bowed low. Wind Spirit cried, "Who will help us now?" Water says the rivers are drying, stone says the earth is burning. Where should the wind go? Wind Spirit opened her maple leaf map. They say human magic is stronger than ours. She dove along the rainbow bridge, through cotton candy clouds. The city rushed with cars and neon lights. Can I really find hope here, she wondered. Moonlight cracked across the window. Alice studied leaf veins through a magnifying glass. She must be the one I am looking for. Alice opened the window, and Wind Spirit floated in. Look! Water climbs on its own. It is capillary action, not magic. Science is amazing. Wind Spirit tried to spin the windmill, but it failed. Science is hard, she frowned. Alice patted her gently. Do not give up. Let us try again. They stayed up all night under a warm light. With new knowledge and hope, Wind Spirit flew back to Little Valley. She built windmills, solar panels gleamed. Clean water flowed with the help of science. Now nature and science danced together. The forest lit up with laughter and glowing trees. Zoom out, the valley sparkled in a glass jar. Children are around the eco-globe, eyes full of dreams. Little Valley was part of a science class. Miss Alice smiled at the front, waiting to tell you. Real magic lives in science, and in the courage to keep trying.